Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to put this set of feet on this Samsung 75-inch class QLED 4K the frame. So it's a very straightforward process, so I'm going to quickly show you guys how to get this done. So what I'm first going to do is remove this from the packaging. I'm going to get the TV out. Alright guys, the next step is to put these feet on. So I've got one foot here and another one over here. So in order to put these stands on, you can see the foam packaging here and it's disconnected. So it's got one piece here, then you got a longer piece here, and then over here you got another piece that comes off. So to put this foot on, you want to slide it in. So you got to remove this piece of foam, lift the TV up, and then you can slide the feet on here. So I'm going to go ahead and remove this piece, lift the TV up, and put this stand on. This piece of foam just easily slides out, so you can just slide it out like so. Alright, as you can see, that slid on quite easily. So now we're going to go ahead and do the same on the other side. Alright, once you've done that, you got both feet on, it's securely in place. Let's come around the other side. There we go, and it can stand up on its own.